Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this service. In this video, we're taking a look at the Credit People, found at thecreditpeople.com. This platform offers credit repair services designed to help individuals improve their credit scores. Their website boasts a streamlined approach to credit restoration, focusing on identifying and disputing inaccurate or unfair negative items on your credit report. They emphasize a commitment to customer service and transparency throughout the credit repair process. The Credit People offer a variety of plans to cater to different needs and budgets, with options for single individuals and couples. Each plan includes regular updates and progress reports so you can stay informed about the status of your credit repair journey. Their website outlines the process they utilize, starting with an analysis of your credit reports to pinpoint negative entries that might be holding back your score. They then proceed to dispute these items with credit bureaus and creditors, working to have them removed from your report if they are found to be inaccurate, unverifiable, or outdated. The Credit People appear to prioritize client education, empowering users with information and resources to better understand credit and maintain healthy credit scores long-term. They offer various tools and educational materials on their website, seemingly aiming to equip individuals with the knowledge they need to navigate the complexities of credit management. While specific pricing details aren't readily available on their homepage, it encourages visitors to schedule a free consultation to discuss their individual credit situations and determine the best course of action. This personalized approach allows potential clients to get a clearer understanding of the services offered and how they might benefit from them. The Credit People website also features testimonials and reviews from past customers, showcasing positive experiences and successful outcomes achieved through their services. Ultimately, the Credit People position themselves as a supportive partner in the credit repair journey, offering personalized guidance and practical tools to help individuals achieve their credit goals. If you're looking for a resource to improve your credit health, thecreditpeople.com might be a valuable place to start your research. Remember, it's always wise to do your due diligence and compare different credit repair services before making a decision.